Morning everybody, this is Shailendra Negi, KVONGC, and today we're just going to study about the properties of parallelograms. So first of all, the definition of parallelogram, as we already know, a quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides parallel. This side is parallel to this side and this side is parallel to this side. And after that, there are some properties. The thing is that if a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then the opposite sides are equal. If they're parallel, this is parallel to this, this is parallel to this, as we have already discussed, they are also equal. QR is going to be equal to PS and QP is going to be equal to RS. And after that, about the angles, opposite angles are also equal in parallelogram. This is equal to this, Q is equal to S and P is equal to R. So the adjacent angles जो लगा हुआ साथ में एंगल होता है, ये और ये एडजेसेंट या ये और ये एडजेसेंट है. In a parallelogram, the adjacent angles are supplementary. The sum of both the angles is going to be 180. Angle P plus angle S is going to be 180. Angle P plus angle Q is also going to be 180. Likewise, angle P plus angle Q 180. Angle Q plus angle R. Angle Q plus angle R is also going to be 180. Angle R plus angle S is also going to be 180. This plus this is also going to be 180. So the sum of the adjacent angles is always 180 and opposite angles are always equal in a parallelogram. Now, about the diagonals. Diagonals are these in a parallelogram. The two diagonals of this parallelogram are QS and PR. And about the diagonals always bisect each other. When they cut each other or intersect each other, they just bisecting each other. QM is going to be equal to MS and PM is going to be equal to MR, right? So now we find the unknown length as discussed just now. This KH is going to be KJ. So if this is 3, this is also going to be 3. If this is 5, then this is also going to be 5. Now about the angles. See this one. We've already studied that if it is a parallelogram, then opposite angles are going to be equal. So angle P is going to be angle R. Angle R is 65 because this is 65. Now about the adjacent angles, sum of this and this is 180. So if we are to find angle Q, we have to subtract this from 180. So 180 minus 65, it is going to be 115. This is 115. Then this will also be 115. So we come to know about all the angles. This is 65, this is 65. ये हमने निकाला 180 में से इसको माइनस कर दिया तो ये निकल गया. इसको भी 180 में से माइनस करेंगे तो ये आ जाएगा. ठीक है, अगर ये 115 आ गया तो opposite angles are equal. So now it is given in this parallelogram. This angle is given. So if this is 120, this is also going to be 120. 120 and 120. This is 3x, then this is also 3x. This is a quadrilateral and the sum of all the angles of quadrilateral is going to be 360. So 3x plus 120 plus 3x plus 120 is going to be 360. और दूसरा जो मेथड है उसको हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि इसके जो एडजेसेंट एंगल्स होते हैं इनका सम हमारा 180 होता है. So 3x plus 120 is going to be equal to 180, right? By both the methods you can do it. 120 3x 3x. So this plus this plus this plus this is going to be 360, or this plus this is going to be 180. So 3x plus 120 is equal to 180. 3x is equal to 60. So x is going to be equal to 20, right? So these are the 5 properties of a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are congruent. कॉन्ग्रुएंट का मतलब इक्वल, ऑपोजिट एंगल्स equal, consecutive angles supplementary यानी कि sum is always 180 and diagonals bisect each other.